checking out the engine bay. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a work of art. Tons of photos as well, so you can go check those out on the website and then the description. Then looking at the trunk, fit and finish of all this looks incredible. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle. Now this thing is just nasty. Look at the sparkle in the paint. Looks like diamonds. Get this out in the sun, just looks incredible. Absolutely gorgeous inside and out. Beautiful, beautiful car. But let's get up close and personal here and really look at it. Mickey Thompsons. Those wheels look incredible. Nice and clean. Date code on the tires, 2021. And looking at the paint, like I said, the sparkle is insane. You're gonna see little dimples here and there. I mean, you got to really be looking for them. You're going to see, I have to really look for it here in the camera. Right there. Like little stuff like that. Being silver though, it hides it really well. Looks awesome. Vinyl top looks incredible. All the chrome looks good. Finish looks amazing. Do have a little crack right there in the clear. Yes, that looks good. That wheel looks incredible. Date code on this one, 2012. You can see that. Got the window tint. This is painted on. Gloss black, no sparkle in it. Just a solid black. See a little dimple right there. Just kind of scanning that hood. Looks really, really good. You have one little chip, if you can see that. Almost not a chip, it looks like it just kind of impacted it. Almost like a cut from the rock, but it didn't chip the paint. Got a little spot right there, and that's really just nitpicking. Just walking around this thing is absolutely gorgeous though. Really hard to get under here, but I'm trying to show you everything I can without it being on a lift. Fender looks incredible. Wheel looks amazing. Date code 2021 on the tire. And the body panels, they look awesome. The gaps look amazing. There's your kill switch there on the back. Let me check this out. That thing is beefy. Now it does have an LED strip there. If you can see, it looks like it's kind of hanging down. Just re-sticky that up, but I bet that looks really cool at night. Definitely show car worthy right here. And you do have a crack right there. And then looking at the interior, just as gorgeous as the outside. The fit and finish and build quality is incredible. A couple little imperfections, like, you know, missing the cap here, but the seat looks incredible. Got the carbon overlay on the brace. It smells amazing. Kind of that OEM plus. You can see the race car-ness, but retaining a lot of the factory stuff. See the wiring over here, nice and clean. Windows roll up and down perfect. Door panel looks good, and it is solid. That is a solid panel. Looks nice. Carpets look good. Everything looks brand new. Beautiful car. Man, absolutely gorgeous on this side as well. Got one little chip here. Gloss black looks good. Window rolls up and down perfect. I mean, extremely solid. It doesn't budge, doesn't creak or anything. Jams look good, nice and clean. Got the carbon, it's like an overlay on top. That looks nice. Seats look incredible. Buckles look good, and this is my favorite part, the attention to detail in here. Looks really good. Headliner looks good. Absolutely gorgeous in here. There's a tiny stain right there. You can see it in this little edge. And I'm not sure if that's something that can come out or not, but it's there. And the rest of that looks incredible. And when you shut the door, solid.